Hi everyone, in this tutorial I'll show you how to use macros in Excel to automate and save time on repetitive tasks. First we need to enable the developer tab, which is where macros are found. If you don't see it, then go to File, Options, Customize ribbon. Check the developer option here, press OK. Now you will have access to all the macro tools. We'll be checking this use relative references option, which makes your macro much more dynamic. Let's start recording the macro. Name your macro. You can assign a shortcut to your macro. Control Shift Q. Okay. Macro has started recording. Let's perform the actions. First, let us sort the data by region. Let us format the data. Stop recording the macro. Watch as Excel instantly performs all the recorded actions. Thanks for watching. Try creating your own macros for tasks you do frequently and let me know how it goes. Thank you guys. Bye.